Hi, my name is John, and I had a full upper and lower arch implants done here at North Shore Smile Surgery. I've had a long history of very poor teeth, had some missing teeth, had some that had crowns, and the crowns were failing, and it was just a continuing problem that was only getting worse. And met with my dentist and looked at options for replacing teeth or getting this one replaced, getting that one replaced, getting that one capped. Years long process going through getting this one tooth done and that one tooth done. And at the end of the day, they never would really look the way I wanted them to look.
So John had missing back teeth, a lot of decayed and broken teeth, and severely worn teeth, and an end-to-end bite. So he had significant challenges to reconstruct his smile. And so we talked about fixing the teeth and replacing missing teeth versus addressing the full arch with ReVita Smile. And as we talked about the different phases in reconstruction, it became very clear to him that the ReVita Smile made a lot more sense.
I was extremely impressed by the professionalism, by the staff, by the technology that they were able to offer and explaining the procedure, and it was totally up to me if I was willing to go forward with that. But they did an outstanding job of explaining what the process would be, and I got very excited that rather than having the next 10 years of trying to get these situations resolved, it could be done in one day. While it was something that was completely brand new to me, I got a very good level of confidence that they knew what they were doing and I was in the right place here at North Shore. Your smile is the first thing that people notice about you. And from a level of just self-confidence, and previously, everyone talks about they, put their hand in front of their mouth or they're embarrassed by their teeth. I was doing that. I knew I was doing it, and it got to a point where I was almost subconsciously doing it, where now that I have gone through the procedure and am absolutely thrilled with the results, they've done an outstanding job. It is something that I can't speak highly enough about, and it was absolutely a wonderful experience. I would say the only problem or regret that I have is I don't get to come back here on a regular basis and just see everybody here at the office, because it's a very welcoming and friendly place.